My name is Liz, and my friend Jackie Ghost in the USA has named me for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So I'm going to ask my son Brad to give me a hand and dump this bucket of water over me, if you wouldn't mind. He had a big smile. He volunteered to do this. Okay, I guess we're ready. Yikes. Okay. Oh my God, that's so cold. Oh, thank you. Oh my God. Okay, so I am going to make a donation online to the ALS as soon as I get changed and warmed up a little. But right now, it's my turn to name some friends to take up this challenge and pay it forward. So I'd like to call on Wayne Kabab, Jackie Tondreau, both of Ontario, and also Janine Homer in Quebec. Are you up to it, mes amis? You each have 24 hours to respond and post your Ice Bucket Challenge videos and or make a donation to ALS. Good luck. Bye.